Tesla will really reach that $1,500 to $2,600 very, very soon, and probably it can reach next year alone. Next year, and there are so many reasons that I'm going to show you that this stock will reach and hit that $1,500 to $2,500 range by next year, and that is 2025. So we are sitting right now in 2024, and we just got a year. So is it too late to get in the stock? No, it's not, because now this stock really started the engine. I mean, it started the engine and getting accelerated on the very positive side. So you really don't want to miss this out. And of course, when it's too late, you will of course come back to this video and watch why I missed the chance. Never tell me that no one announced you. Of course, this video is for you guys and to see. I'm going to show you in details why this stock, it has so many reasons that this stock, of course, there are so many analysts, they are rating very, very positive on this stock, and of course including Tom Lee, who, if you watch this interview, of course he's very bullish on the stock. And even if you take him out of this scenario, I'm talking about the company's future. The company's future is absolutely bright and absolutely on a very positive side. Now, here's the thing. This stock will move 10 to 20% on the next earnings. So now give a very simple calculation right here. So next earning comes, and right now the stock is sitting it's sitting around like $250, just shy of $250. By the next earnings coming, if the stock is sitting around $300, let's say $300, and if it moves 20%, well, moving 20% is really not a big deal. 10% now in this era, in this generation of 2024 year, moving 10% is not really a big deal, but a big deal, it's making like 20%. Now 20%, if the stock moves and it moves for $60, right? Now it moves $60. If the stock is sitting for $300, it moves $60 and it becomes $360. Of course, in coming days, of course, it will just climb $2, $5 per day, and that will be sitting on again on $400. This, I'm only talking on the one earnings. Again, we got 4 earnings in a calendar year of 2025. Again, the same, of course, every year. And if the stock keeps on moving 15 to 20% and the stock price goes higher and higher every single time, 20%, and every earnings 20%, and this stock will be sitting around $1,500 to $2,000 very, very easily. So never underestimate the stock. Believe me, guys, this stock, Tesla, will blow your mind, will blow your portfolios in a very positive side, because I'm just keep on adding Tesla, and Tesla is the future. Of course, we are not talking about Nvidia, no Microsoft, no Apple, because that's a different story. That's absolutely a different story. This is the stock. It can make you massively rich, because all the time, every time the stock was just climbing up, I remember back in 2018 or 17 to 18, this stock was super, super underrated. When the stock starts climbing massively, of course, people start shorting the stock, right? They start shorting the stock, and including Bill Gates, we just heard this, but we never know. He shorted Tesla, and he had a very big bet on Tesla on a very positive side. So, coming to the point, now will the hedge funds or institutions or the big guys, will they short this company? I don't really think so, because they know the power of this company, and it just climbed to $1,500, $2,000, and came back to the split. So coming back to the split, and now again the stock will climb back to $2,500 or $2,000 by next year, and believe me, there will be again a next big split. And if there's a split again, and then of course the stock will get a little bit slower, and of course, then you will regret, oh, why I didn't really apply that on my portfolio when I was watching this Infinite Stock video. So this is for you. If you want to know more updates, join the group down in the link below, and you can follow me on Instagram, and you can have updates back to back. We trade all stocks and all good stocks, quality stocks, and also we invest on the long terms. And now this is one of the stocks that we are focusing on the long terms. And believe me, this stock will make you insanely rich if you have cash. Put it in Tesla. It's not my advice directly to you, but if you like, yes, no hard feelings. If you like, just do that. If you don't like, just ignore. And if you like the video, hit that like button. If you don't like, just ignore. Just walk away. It's not for you. It's not for you. That's it. It's not for you. Don't waste your time just watching this video. I'm just sharing my opinion, my thought, what the stock will really do. Every time what I was just predicting this Tesla or any other company, they went absolutely true based on my opinions, based on my readings, chart ratings, and the financial ratings, the company ratings, and the statistics. And this company will perform very positively. And we will go in details right here and see how this company will really perform. So let's get into it. If we see here very, very closely that analyst forecast, if you go on an annual chart, on an annual basis, that you will see here on 2024, that is the current year, and of course, the forecast and net income before tax is okay. It's pretty much not so on a very, very solid positive side, but look at next year, what is the forecast being casted. So talking about this, now 2025 can be the year. By the next year ending, the stock can easily sit more than $1,500 by the end of the year. Now, mark this down. I know you'll come back and watch this video again. That $1,500 is still a very, very less price compared to $2,000 or $3,000. But this price, of course, in 2025, this company will skyrocket massively. So even the net income on 25, of course, that will be massive. And even the earnings per share in 2025 will be massive. Everything is growing massive if you really see very closely. Even the gross margin, everything is going big and bigger. Even the cash flow per share is also going much bigger in 2025 and 26, 27. It's just ramping up and up. So based on this, why I'm so confident that this Tesla will sit on $1,500 by the end of the year, and it'll be much sooner what Kathy Wood gave $2,500 or $2,600. The rating for this stock, of course, it'll be in 2000 whatever 30 or whatever. So I think this will be much sooner, like, and much sooner as possible. Now, will this come to with the market cap of Nvidia, Microsoft? Of course, this can catch up very, very easily. If you go on financial years, of course, cash flow, of course, now the numbers are kind of like a little bit negative, and that will be again. So let me just go on annually. So you will see here on annually, we are sitting on a very good here. But again, cash from investing activities, okay, this I'm not going to talk here. Cash from financial activities, okay, this we are plus 173%, and net change in cash is $265 million, which is 121% on a positive side. Well, in 2025, this stock will grow very, very massively. And if you see here, analyst rating on this stock, hold 22 hold, 22 buy, 17 hold, and 11 sell. So of course, based on the highest price they gave is $320 by the end of this year. So of course, this stock will easily reach $320 by the end of this year, and probably by the coming earnings. The next coming earnings, this stock will easily cross $320 because Get in now. This stock is a very, very solid stock. And going back to this, hold on. Here we go. This is a chart for Tesla, and I will go to weekly chart, and you will see here such a beautiful pattern this stock is forming right here, and we will be seeing here $313 very, very soon. And after that, we are just waiting for the big party, and that will be the all-time high. And this stock will cross over $460. And can be possible this year? Yes, it's very highly possible this year alone. $400 to cross. Yes, very, very highly possible this year alone. So, and also, today I traded Tesla. You can see here, made $31,000 and $143 on Tesla. You can join the group and trade side by side with me, and you can make a profit as well and grow your portfolios. The link is down in the description. You can follow me also on Instagram. So the price will be higher for the group, and now there are limited seats. Just join, don't miss that out, and you'll lock up that small price, which is less than $20, and you will enjoy the benefits. So thank you so much for watching, and probably see you next time with a much massive update, and Tesla will be a massive winner.